Welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen. I'm Larry the Pen Bug Guy, and it's Monday evening. And it's time for an unboxing. Christmas Day all over again. You know, I get always way excited when I get packages, don't you? I don't care what it is. Send me a package. I'm excited. So here we go. First package. Let's see what this is. I wonder what that could be. In an envelope. And nothing else in there. So let's get this little jewel open up here and see what it is. I have an idea what it is. So, alrighty. Well, folks, here we go. Well, it looks like a pen. Duh. And there's the barrel. And then there's the cap. Well, let's get it out. That's cool. I like that so far. If I can get the thing out. Yeah, I sent my pen off to get repaired at Crofts. And so they had to send me, they just replaced the whole pen. That's how good Crofts' warranties are. I've said it over again, I'll say it again, lifetime. I've had a viewer that asked me that how good was their warranty and how far back did it go. Well, I had a pen that didn't work and it was probably back from the 70s and they replaced it. So this is a 18K gold nib. With a cross converter, which is really a sweet, sweet deal. And I'll double check my nib. And it is correct. 18K 750. It's a gold nib. So Crofts has really stand behind their work, stand behind their products, stand behind what they say. And I'll be inking this little jewel up later. Now for number 2. Isn't this cool? So that, now comes the hard part. Nothing in there. How's that? Pretty cool? Don't need that. So, here we go. And here we go. I have been so busy today, getting ready to do some videos. I've had some inks that I'm going to review that you all probably seen already, but the reason why I didn't do them is because I wanted to make sure that I like the inks and that I knew as much as I could about the origin of the inks that I'll be reviewing after a while. Okay, now who does this? Ta-da, ta-da, Goulet, 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 la la. And I shall give that to Mr. Announcer. Yay. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. And you get all these cool cards. And what I like about Goulet, you get these cool little cards like that. Yeah. And thank you. You are awesome. Oh, and you can finish that out.
Jeremy.
And thank you so much for your support on this card. And then, of course, you get another card. And this is from Brandon B. Let me know about packaging. So, Goulet always does an extremely good job of packing the products. So, here we go. I did get some inks while I was placing the order. And I got the Robert Oyster Tranquility. Yay, Robert Oyster. And Robert Oyster Blue Water Ice. Bad, bad boy. Now, to the heart of the package. And we'll just put that aside. Here it is, folks. The Duraflex Limited Edition. With the flex nib. I had to have it. No, you don't understand. I had to have it. I don't think you're understanding here. I had to have it. Can you feel it? I can feel it. Oh! Well, what do you say we open this up? Here we go. Comes in this cardboard sleeve with Durograph Limited Edition. But I'll do a review on this later. I won't keep y'all in that beautiful box. And there's that beautiful black high gloss pen that has Duraflex on it, limited edition. And this is 151 of 1898. So I guess this is 151 of the 1,898 pens they're making. So, well, at least I'm got one. So that's pretty cool. Look at that wicked nib. Looks like a spaceship. Isn't that cool? Yep, I just can't wait to dive into this jewel. So what color of ink will I use? Would it be that new Krishna ink or some of this Robert Oyster ink? We'll find out. All right, folks, I do appreciate you hanging out with me for my unboxing. Until my next review, stay safe, peace, love. Talk to you guys later.